everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a haul. I picked up a few things from a local charity shop, so I thought I'd pop on and share those with you guys. I did want to just say a big thank you to everyone that wished me a happy birthday. Yeah, I haven't replied to all my messages yet, but thank you that everyone sort of wished me happy birthday. I really appreciate it, and yeah, the lovely messages that you sent. I will try to get round to applying to all the comments and things like that. I just haven't had the time this week to do all that, but I will try and get them sort of answered in the next couple of days. But yeah, I popped to the local charity shop, and they had some really cool things. So I picked up, this was $2.25. I think it's mainly stamps. I think there's a couple of dies. So for $2.25 in there. There's some here I might not use, but there's quite a few I will. So like these butterflies I thought were quite cool. So you get those, and then like a background. I thought that'd be quite nice to use on ATCs and cards. So you got that one. Then this one, this is what it looks like. I don't know if I've got a piece of card. Got that. No, it's not the right sort of colour to show. Maybe a bit of white card might be better. It's not really showing up, but that's the image of what it looks like. It's quite nice. Yeah, different to what I have in my stash. So that came in now. Then you've got this one. It looks like that. A lot of like scenery and background sort of stamps, which is kind of cool. This one, obviously this one's been used and a couple of missing from here. That one's definitely been used. These don't look like they have. Obviously this one's missing, that one's missing, and that butterfly is missing. But yeah, the others look alright actually. I'm not sure what that says. That's kind of cool. Then this stencil. And then this, I don't know if you're going to see it on that. It looks like it's got some sentiments there. This is like a door. No, you can't really. Doesn't show. It's like a door with flowers going up it. And then this one looks like an arch as well, with like brick wall and flowers. And then that looks like flowers. Again, this doesn't look like it's been used. So that's that one. And then this is a flower background. So that's quite cool for $2.25. So that's that set. Then found this for 75p, and it's got the die and the stamps. I double checked that it's all in there, and again they don't look like they've been used. So that's that one. And then I've got another pack. I think this one, oh, this one was £2. And then in here some more stamps. So this one is like a path with an arch, flowers. It's quite a nice size. Again, great for background on a card. This one's a floral window. Again, nice size. This one is Christmassy, so you get a few different stamps in this one. You've got the house, Christmas tree, Noel, the snowflakes, and then the like Christmas lights, and they're all there as well. Snowy cottage, that one. This one, again, a background. That's what it looks like. So that's kind of cool. And then the last one is this rubber stamp. It's called Front Door, and you get all the bits, I guess, to make it like a Christmassy kind of themed. You've got the cap. Yeah, so it's kind of cool. So again, those were all £2 for all of those. Then found these. I thought these were quite good. They had a lot of others. I should have picked up some more, but for £2.50 you get 50 in this size. They're just like bags that you can send out, like HAPPYMAIL things. So you get that size. So you get 50 of those, and then you get 50 in this size. I thought that was quite good for £2.50. And like I said, they did have a load of other ones there. I then found these dies, and these were £3. This one is like, what's it say? Flower Beauty Bloom. It's a Sizzix, not a Tim Holtz. This is just a Sizzix die. Don't think you can see the, oh, you might be able to see the flower on there. That's that one. Then this is a Sizzix Angel. Yeah, Angel. So it cuts out that. And then this one is a Tim Holtz Sizzix, and it cuts out this bird cage, and I think the bird as well, if I can see. Yeah, it does. So you got the bird there. I think that's its wing, and then the bird cage. So it looks like that. Yeah, so that's quite cool for £3. And then the last thing I picked up was this one, and this is a Sizzix again, but it's like a big scoreboard, extra large die. This was £3, and it makes this box. So the lid, all these little bits, the handle. Yeah, so that's what the die looks like. So again, I thought that was quite good for £3. Yeah. So that's all I have to share with you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you all have an awesome week. Yeah, and I will speak to you soon. Take care, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye.